So, here it is. We've listened to your feedback. This is what was cut from the National Airsoft Festival videos that we released. We are titling this The Great Stand, or should I say sit. I will tell you right now, there is zero gameplay in this video. It is literally a bunch of people pretending we're in a milsim, sitting around waiting for the enemy to attack. You asked for it, here it is, and enjoy. Also, a lot of you are unsubscribed who watch the channel, so do it, or I'm telling your mothers.
You simply won't do. Oh, get out. I couldn't see the fucking feathers were what do you know? It's as bad as you know it is. The Italians are there.
Oh,
Mike, yeah. You got eyes up front?
I hear it was up here, isn't there? Quite a few.
How many downstairs?
At least a dozen at the front, and about the same at the back as well.
I was just singing that for some reason as well. Got a guy over there called Pedro. Ah! Pedro!
Hello. Help. That's inside, he's regretting the fur. I mean, I don't need fur to regret it.
So, over there. So we've got one around there, possibly two there.
Yeah. Fucking love Pedro.
Oh, it's fucking wood. Oh, shit, that is.
Pretty much true. See that tree there? Just off to the left.
It's a stupid, like, S-pen feeder onto it, yeah. Fingers crossed, anyway. It is the... Don't go there. No, I spent a bit of time messing with the fire rate and stuff.
Yes, it is not the one where you have to hold it, program it there.
No, I put the T23A MCU in it.
There he is. Find it.
Oh, maybe she should grow. Sorry, mate. It's fine.
There's also something called NG42.
Yeah, next day.
Today, that's a do. Yeah. I've got 249 based off. It's basically like, it was the first, well, I suppose the MG34 was the first like sport back process.
Send it again.
Yes.
Do me a favour, you've got my drink.
I don't think you've got much left.
No, I brought one when I went for respawn.
Ah, okay. And you somehow magically managed to get it in the same pouch?
Yep.
Good man.
Oh, I didn't do it, I got someone else to do it.
Yeah, mate, having a bit of a Bravo party. Or a Pedro party, as we like to call it now.
Party like a Bravo party. The motto is Fox Delta.
Just grab mine, yeah? Lucus.
Yeah, yeah. Look. Where is it? The fuck is it? Oh, is it? I might have taken it around. Yeah, that's cool. There you go.
Yes, like I say, this part of the site is horrendous because it's even more thick.
Something proper stabbing me in my head and doing my head in.
Yeah?
Literally. The camera's
Well, I mean, you're in a safe space. Just leave your eye pro on. What is it?
Look how moist it is in there.
Yeah, I don't want to because. Yeah, look how moist it is. Roots!
Contact rear. Wasn't it anyone friendly? No, is that friendly fire? Is that friendly? I hope not. Bravo!
What a dick.
I don't know the frag and find out, but. Can you imagine some fucking one frag up here and it's like what? 16 kills.
No. No, bravo, bravo. Excuse me.
Yeah, so we've got some people to be on.
No, nothing yet. They've definitely got like people coming through that path. It's locked off. No, thought I could. It's a leaf.
What time is it? 1 o'clock. 5:02.
12:56.
5:02. 5:02. 5:02. You got it. So we win. Yeah. When we get the objective. 1 o'clock. Dead man switch it.
He's in there somewhere. Left hand side of the path.
More to the right, isn't it?
Left hand's coming up. And it's close as well.
We need to get to the village. Yeah. Excuse me, Gus.
Sorry, Rod.
I assume you can't get shot through the floorboard.
No. I don't think so anyway.
I assume it's a hole bigger than your head is what you shoot through. Presume? I can't remember any of them mentioning anything to do with it. I presume.
Fuck is that? Can you hear it?
No noisy. I had a boot spray there. What was that about? I've got a dodgy spine, I can't stand up and down properly. Oh, you're as bad as me.
And here you are laughing at him.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Beat me on that one. And I can't bend my back. So. Oh, okay. Wiggle around. Awkwardly. What's that? Is he down?
Yeah, he's down. Whoop.
Feel that? On the right.
Okay. So he's definitely in that area just there.
Third round.
Go on, mate. Go on.
Oh, shoot, something red. I've just realised fire extinguisher.
Fucking idiot.
That'll do it.
Everybody needs a bedroom.
Fucking best bastards. Oi, don't come near here if you're gonna get shot.
You've been warned.
Is it word?
Yeah.
Last warning.
You don't know, he's still going.
Right, I told you so.
Still reeling.
Yeah. Full round on. Whoa. Up. Oh, look at that. Why?
Oh, they're sneaky.
Yeah.
Come through.
Watch out where you are, pal.
Pick me up, that.
Time. Time, 1 minute past 1.
1 minute past 1. It's me, it's when I leave. Control.
I was wondering, you guys see the right at the bottom, you just see a camera button? I do not have the range on the axis. Keep pressing the button, remember? Probably run out. Again, 5th time.
You hear the shot spot. Alright, sounds like the battery's dying.
Oh, I got more.
Sounds like it's the battery's dying, mate. Down here, I've taken a sniping out of there, I was there all day, just on base defense.
No, you need that attachment. I've got the attachment. That was
Don't know if I get someone there. When they kicked me, I'm like, God, George! I was like, oh, get out of the way. Hit the first one, first shot, and then I missed that. That first shot, I was like, yeah, I am the best.
Maybe bring your own feet.
Well, coming from the left, ha! You said you had.
Pop around here.
It's alright. Go on. Got you.
Oh, hi guys. Hi guys. Your favourite?
How's it going down there, Dan?
I took the village.
Yeah. When I got a bit tired, I thought I'd have a wander back and see what was going on.
Is Jamie still down there, Dan?
Somewhere.
Can you see him? Can you tell him what's happened there?
I need some more ammo.
That's just when you see Ruth.
We've got a special mission here in a bit. We've got a special mission here soon. He's got something to do. Come here. He's just really tall. How long have you got for? I don't know when that is. If you don't mind, because I feel like we're leaving towards the end.
I thought it was 1 o'clock we were on this.
I think maybe the objectives are arrived.
To finish. Someone didn't agree with me, so
It's Greg and all that down there stuff.
I saw them there, but where they are.
Greg, Reese, everyone, you all downstairs. Bill. Greg, Reese, Chris, anyone, you still downstairs?
That's a tactical reload.
That's Bravo.
Oh, Bravo.
Yeah, he's moved down a bit as well. Sorry, pal.
Still down there, Jack? Okay, we've got a special objective
Good point, actually, Luke.
While I'm loading, does anybody else load?
It's a good quality. Loader.
I'll leave it on you.
Where is it?
I made that genuine humour.
Sorry.
Yeah. That's why they're made in China.
Sit forward. My budgie. Got him.
It has a sort of thing on it.
Hey, guess what?
It's Vector!
Oh yeah!
Hey! Sit forward. Huh? Sit forward. Oh, sorry.
Put my coffee in there.
I've got one of those.
You're missing the camera.
It's a camera, but it's a trigger frame. It's taking a briefcase.
That's right. Where's your biking horse?
Yeah, I was biking it first.
It's dual stage. So you got. You have fun. You have to pull it out of there and then dual stage. Yeah. That's it. You got it now. Look.
You've learned something new. Every day's a school day.
I'm back! Get to the fucking port now! I'm expecting that. I think that's just fake snipers.
Guys, if any of you are able to get down there and just spread out a little bit. Not the ones that took it, you lot can sit down on the left.
I'm not suited to do what
I am, so I've got some of the kids.
What?
I'm not camouflaged, I'm not stealthy, I'm not a long-range weapon.
There he goes, I'm not suited for bush warfare, because I am, that's why I've got some of the kids.
Oh, Jesus, yeah, they're not taking this.
There's like 6 or 7 people at every door downstairs, like, they're just stacked around there.
If there's any consolation, we generally are like a good 80 metres in that direction.
I think we've got half a Bravo here.
We're at the top of the hill for firebase.
Okay.
Landing zone, so they can't get the fuck up the hill. We've got 2 guys sat at the top with snipers.
Nice.
I think others have Eagle's Nest as well, so I think Delta generally are just pinned in their base.
Where are we now?
We're in fort. So it's here.
Over there.
Yeah. We pushed up all the way to I think the top of this hill here. We've got guys looking down there, guys here. There's loads of them around trenches and eagles and in the trees, that side of it. So we have all of this with us.
Towards the village.
Basically, it's a stalemate then.
Oh yeah, get that down this way, don't I?
Thank you, gent.
Did you get that?
What?
What you just said?
You said something about getting to the woods near the village.
Was you watching?
Huh?
Was you watching?
It's fine, it'll grow
No.
up, it'll grow again.
Why?
Carry on, fucking Mark. I'm still one more.
You want to come down?
I'm coming.
Taking it. So basically, come run, innit?
Yeah.
So we have all this from here, Eagle's Nest, the nest, trenches, we've got people down here, as well as we're right there anyway at the fort.
Okay.
They are Bravo, Delta pretty much in there.
Yeah, I heard that.
And others are on their other side. So it's basically a bit of a stalemate, we're just sitting here. Literally, it's Nelson.
Yeah.
It's not the fog, it's literally sweat.
I think tomorrow you take your own speed loader as well.
I know, I'll meet back and forth, it's going to be easy.
It works very well for customized.
We did it.
Small like manual,
Manliness.
Yeah, I was the front cover of that.
Yeah, everyone is.
Everyone having fun this weekend though?
Oh yeah. He's motionless, just chewing on
If you get a nice video of fucking up Delta, I'd love to see that on the Facebook page at some point. Send it to that. However, if he knows it's us, he wants after then 2 miles was after. How many lots in it?
Lee,
Yeah.
how much fish you got in your bag?
What are you thinking?
GoPro.
I should have some space somewhere. But you'll have to get up.
They're like me with no underwear on, just flopping all over.
He died.
Yep.
How many are in there? 2, you can have on the job.
Because whilst I'm hungry, I'm not hungry enough to try and dig my way back to the snake so I can check my food.
I'm doing this objective and I'm going.
My goal is not to go back, but I didn't realise how hungry I'd get.
Down here.
Contact left.
Guys, heads up! Is that contact?
Yep.
Guys, is that contact?
2 boys in our pod.
Guys, weapons up, we're being contacted! Down the valley! Guys, seriously, can some of you get down there, push into those bushes, and weapons up in this one and that way up top. You can first.
Oh. It's one of ours. My bad. Is it? Yeah, it is. Bravo.
Yeah, have we got a group like of 2 or 3 people that are fast runners?
Problem is, you come through the bushes, you've got both hands up, otherwise you can't even tell.
That was last year. Last year was raining and it was so humid. And then Sunday, oh fucking hell. The one nice thing about Saturday was the game was like much quieter for like after Saturday. It was really intense because it was like maybe like 1,500 people max. Everyone was like now solid, didn't bother getting hot.
Okay, mate, we're still top of there's an objective dropping in 10 minutes that we are waiting for. Yes, yes, at full objective in about 10 minutes.
This one, I bought this one here.
Where the fuck are you guys in?
Port your drum good.
Thank you.
Apparently she topped up. Topped up the tank.
Me down on the fucking slope.
Sounds like a delivery.
Got to beat on two.
Fort Bravo.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Everyone having a good day thus far?
Definitely.
I can't mope about having to say that. Actually.
Slightly larger reading glasses.
Oh yeah!
I am writing to
You beautifully lazy.
Oh yeah!
Thomas!
Who was there? Oh! Oh, here he is, right? Ah! You fucking get fucking there. I fucking saw that in your hand, you bastard. Love banging. Yeah, quite literally up here as well after last event mishap. Remember the rocket? I yelled back.
Oh yeah, that's correct.
In all fairness,
Proper comedy moment. You held the rocket launcher up and it fell out the back of it and everyone went, oh.
I've never seen Charlie run so fast.
Mate, yeah, honestly, you'd be surprised how much gets handed in next time you go down. There's a receptionist and the ladies in there. Yeah, mate, loads of people actually. Some came off with car keys. Some guy bought us fucking car keys out here. I was out here doing objectives at like 10 with some poor guy just looking around the school. Like, dude, what are you doing? He's trying to find this thing. He's at prison camp. I was like, mate, walking there. Just go to one. Yeah. Don't bring your trackies in your trackie pocket.
Clip on the zip, you know.
Yeah, that's it. I used to always leave mine on the wheel up.
Is that enemy?
You wouldn't be able to get me out now. I've been on the jiu-jitsu camp in the middle of the market with all tarps spread up.
What's the other objective? I used to do that. They've got some mission and then see it in there. Don't know if they've got it already. I would say that.
How you doing anyway then, Tom? Have you had a good day?
Yeah, no, good.
Almost solid as a rock camp.
Me, yeah. Dense as a rock.
Took my SDS to do. I forgot all the bits. So yeah. Improvise.
Mate, it's works, mate.
Got two boys back.
It's the first time I've ever like seen big oil change. Just to go like this.
What's the plan then?
This will drop soon. I have some volunteers already. Sorry, I heard that. I thought that was another crow scarer. That bastard PTSD from those fucking things. I've been sat here before and he's just chucked it over. I've gone, boom. Our base is getting attacked. All 6 of you might need to go back to base then. Our base might be getting attacked. So they're going to run the objective back. Okay. Once we're done, our next hourly drop is down there in village. Chrissy! Bastard! So yeah, literally we'll be coming down here.
Going out through there. Are they 12 gauge? Are they 12 gauge?
No, they're pro scarers.
Yeah, they 5.
No, they're just like a little fuse and a lot of powder.
Yeah, click on the 12 gauge grenade.
I'm not allowed explosives, especially up here. We have a rocket launcher that we put a firework in. I've always wanted to do it. I'm on martial insurance anyway. I'm standing here. I yell, back blast clear. Yep. I must have just moved like that. It's fallen on the fucking floor. Like, everyone's looked. I've looked behind like, and everyone's just fucking scattered. One of the marshals tried to pick it up, and as he's thrown it, it's gone off, and then it's gone here. I'm pressed against that, like. So yeah.
5 minutes, guys.
How long? Yeah, 5 minutes. Oh my god. All round defence up top, just in case.
I've genuinely lost one.
I don't know where they're going.
No, I haven't used that.
I haven't seen him for about 4 minutes.
What's it like down there?
Them two living a dream, mate.
Look at them. Shit up here. Really? I want it to be warmer first.
No, because it's breeze blocking it.
There's no windows though, there's no
Doesn't matter.
I feel sorry for these gillies. Really fucking.
Their choice, mate. That's all I'm going to say. Their choice. I'm too busy feeling sorry for myself before I feel sorry for somebody else. We're going to support chasing the objective back.
Okay.
Because basically,
how do you feel? Because I'm not hungry.
I know, but at some point we do need to eat. You keep telling me off for that.
Well, that's when we were at skirmishes and we run around and we come back to base every 5 seconds because that's how the game's run.
Yeah.
I don't feel hungry at all.
No, but we should eat.
As soon as you say we're good.
As
soon as you say food, I'm going to eat anyway.
If base is under attack, 6-man team on an objective.
Has he got a HPA, you know, fucking double fucking...
Greg, me's round the back. Greg. Yeah. Me's round the back. Okay.
Watch out, he's coming out.
Oh,
he's slipping out, mate.
Follow wherever I can.
Why does it smell so good?
Yeah, true.
that's the problem.
Around the quad bike. Make sure we cover the pass, Willie.
There's 4 others in one attack, and they 3 stood at the one and
I've never been so tired.
Downstairs is clear. Drugs.
I've never been so tired in my life. I'm wet, tired, everything.
You're in there with
Still upstairs, got to wait for it.
Can I borrow a quad?
No.
No, bro. Sit on the back. That can work, can't it, Lee?
Where do I need to sign to say it's okay if I fall off and break something?
We're here. They're all spread out down there and I'm here. We're ready. Taking an objective back.
Yeah.
Drops in 2. Bravo.
Cover backpack.
Oh, it's come loose. Hello.
What?
You're allowed to come up.
Probably, yeah.
Are we going? Have we collected the objective? Have we got the objective?
It arrived in 1 minute, I think.
Clearing.
The objective is quad box.
Oh,
Can I sit here?
no.
You sit there, driver, 2 people on the back, 1 driver.
I'll pop a wheelie on it. Done it already. On this one though.
Go, clear. Objective coming.
Anything can wheelie. Half off the seat. Horrible.
If you guys want some info, there's nobody down there about 120 meters.
We've got plenty.
I've just come there.
Yes, good. Right. I want a team of 5 on that man right there. Get him back to Theo.
Already on.
He's got a team. Theo, he's got a team with him.
We're good.
He's got 7 people with him. And then they're going to come back. Okay, in that case, that's done. Rest of you, I want you on position for next bit of hit.
That's that. So where are we going?
We were just getting shot from. Down there.
Right, rest of you, let's start moving out that way. If you're looking to stay on,
I'm gonna stick with you two. You seem
Staying on?
like you know what you're doing.
Not really.
Bears.
Follow in then. Fuck it.
So we're going
That way.
I'm like a lost dog right now.
Snap.
So this is that the special?
Yeah, I think so.
Enough said. Half past, Intel briefcase, prison camp, port. Wait, what time is it? Half past, that was the Intel briefcase then.
Okay.
Half past 1.
So now we're heading to the village.
It's
I
only
think you
1. Yeah, so we've got ammo box.
said. At the village.
Village. Where's village?
This way.
There, boys.
Raga, raga.